Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning. Today I'm going to show you how to clean any hat and then a super cool trick to remove any sort of stains with things you probably already have laying around your house. This is rust. By the way, my husband likes to deer hunt, was getting his tree stand out. Look at this right here. That's looking real nasty. If you're wondering why I have gloves, it's because I got a manicure. Also, if you hear my washing machine in the background, have no fear, my friend. I have 4 children, so we are always doing laundry. So inside of here, this bucket, get a garbage can, a bathtub, a sink, whatever you have, warm water, get yourself a little Dawn dish soap or any sort of dish soap really will work. You're going to want to immerse the hat. Yes, yes, yes. Now I do caution you putting your hats in the dishwasher or in a washing machine. So this method right here is going to ensure that your hats do not get damaged. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is we just dip that on in there. Get yourself a brush of some sort. So I like this one right here. This is by Scotch-Brite. Or a cleaning toothbrush of any sort. Now, we're gonna do something a little bit different because we have these rust stains right here. So I'm gonna make a little concoction and I'm gonna show you how well this works. You're gonna get yourself a lemon, squeeze that lemon on in there. This is gonna smell amazing. Look at all those seeds, holy buckets. You're gonna wanna drain those seeds out if you can. It's just gonna make your job a lot easier. Now that I have fished most of those lemon seeds out, you're gonna get yourself some salt for a little abrasiveness. And then the secret ingredient here is some cream of tartar. Yes, this does make things light and fluffy for your desserts, but it's gonna make your hat light and fluffy as well. You're just gonna eyeball that so that you can get somewhat of a paste going. Whip that up. I'm gonna let that sit for just a minute to allow things to thicken up a little bit. I'm gonna dip my brush in here. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean around all of these hats. Dip and clean, and then we're gonna apply this paste. All right, did a really quick cleaning of these hats. Probably took me about 3 minutes. Now we're gonna go in with our paste for these hard to reach stains. And we're just gonna use our toothbrush lightly and rub over any stained areas. I can see right here, there's some, this is sweat, lots of sweat in here. All applied. Now we're gonna let this sit for about an hour or so, depending upon how bad your stain is. You may need to do this process one more time, but then I'm gonna show you the last and final step to making these hats look like new without damage and removing any stains. I just dumped this bucket. I wish I could have caught it on camera how dark and black that water was from those hats just getting dipped in there. Gross. Next step, you're gonna go ahead and give your hats a good rinse with some warm water. Got the hats all rinsed off and dried. It is the next day, so we're gonna take a peek here. They are looking awesome. You can hang them to dry like this. The goal is just to keep them in their natural shape. My husband prefers it this way. The other hat he's actually wearing right now, but let's look at this one that had some rust stains. We can see just some light coloring right there and just a little bit right here, but this looks way better with just one treatment. If you find that this method does not work for you, my friend, I have you covered. I have one more tip for you. Let me pull it up. Dun, dun, dun. This works awesome as well. You're gonna soak your hats, I would say, for about 2 to 3 hours, and you will watch that water get brown and dark. And then you're gonna wash your hats and rinse them as you normally would in your sink or your bathtub to reduce any sort of damage. But this is a bonus because it also eliminates a tough odor. So either of these methods will work. All right, my friend, if you enjoyed this video, click these 2 videos on screen now. Give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next one.